Hello all, welcome to daily tutorials. So today in this video we are going to see how to modify values in the data frame. So let's get started. So I have opened the same demo notebook which we discussed previously. So I'm looking at the data frame. So this is my data frame. It contains three columns and 45 rows. So let's modify the values. So for the modification, it's very easy. First, we need to select the data frame column which we need to modify. For example, X, and I want to multiply with some values. For example, into 100. So now see, initially it was like it is not modified. So after that I'm sorry. So after that I'm executing. It tries to modify the columns. So now it won't modify the original data frame since we didn't assign it. So better we will assign it. Okay. So here we are trying, because if you look into this, you can see here I have tried to modify it, but the original data frame, it doesn't modify here because we didn't assign it. So we will try to assign it. So assigning is very simple. You have to select the same data frame column and assign to it. So now I'm assigning here. Then I'm trying to execute. I'm check whether it's modified. Here you can see it has been modified. The same way we can do a different different arithmetic operations on the data frame. So suppose you have scenario where you have in columns in seconds that you want to convert into minutes or hours. So this is how we can modify easily at our, and we can also create a new column. For example, I'm creating a new column like Z. Okay, then I'm just dividing the X column with Y column. Okay, and then I'm trying to execute it. So now I'm going to look the data frame d underscore 1 dot head, and you can see the new column has been added, and this Z column will have the uh, arithmetic operation that we performed in the previous step. So likewise we can add multiple columns, and now you can also modify the particular value in the data frame. For example, if I want to modify this 800 present in X column and first row, so using log function we can do it. So right now I will try to do df underscore 1 dot log and put a square bracket and put the row so which I need to modify, and the column which I'm modifying the X column. So now I'm going to assign it with some values like um, 500. Okay, then I'm trying to execute it, and it is say df has no attribute integer. It is So now we are going to modify a particular value in the data frame. First we need to uh, find which value we need to. For example, I'm going to modify a second row and this X column. So this value I'm going to modify. So how to do that? You have to use the log function. So log, so put a square bracket. So the row values is 2 and the column values is X. So then give a value as 2000. Okay, so to put this in string, so here then I will try to execute. Okay, So then again I will try to print to make sure it has been modified. So I'm going to look at second row. You can see the 2000 has been modified. Same you can try for different columns and check whether it has been replaced or not. So that's all about today's video. So in this video we saw how to modify values in the data frame in different using different functions. So that's all today. Thank you everyone. See you next interesting video. Bye.